Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Nelia Chrissy. Today is another day, another recipe to share. And this recipe is special for us here, or it's special to all Indonesians, because this is a special recipe for their Idul Fitri or any special occasions, mostly in Idul Fitri. And we call it Ketupat. So we're going to put the rice inside on that coconut leaves. In Philippines, we call that Pusô. We eat that together with barbecues. And this is my spices inside. Diyan natin ilalagay yung puso. So this is my rice. I'm going to mix with a little salt. And this is the way to put the rice inside. So put until half, because we are going to cook that for about 8 hours.
So you need.
Yeah, until half. You don't need to put that full, kasi it won't grow. Yan. Continue doing like that until the rice finish. Salamat pagi teman-teman. Hari ini kita mau bikin ketupat. Kita lebaran dulu ya guys. Ketupat yang very special buat Idul Fitri. Cara membuat ketupat ya guys. Sampai setengah aja. Kalau di Filipina juga ini ada, namanya puso. Puso itu jantung.
Oh, kupat jantung.
Ya, jantung kayak kan itu kayak jantung kan.
Iya.
Nah,
Bentuk jantung.
kita itu makan di Filipina pakai sate.
Nah, bisa ini juga sate.
Di sini juga bisa. Sate macam-macam. Ada salah satu tempat di Filipina namanya di Cebu City or Cebu City for us. Mereka itu rame kayak gini kalau malam, Bi. So malam-malam itunya di mana, di jalan-jalan mana, dan ini terkenal di sana.
Ketupat.
Ketupat dengan puso. Namanya itu barbecue. Barbecue atau inihaw. Terus makannya pakai gitu. Terus dimakannya itu dibelah, terus makannya pakai plastik tangannya. Dan ada nam pakai. Oh, enak.
Endol.
Nanti aku mau bikin kayak gitu di sini. Okay, guys. Watch out in my YouTube channel. Sekarang kita mau bikin ketupat dulu dan mau bikin sayur dan opor ayam. Now we are going to make ketupat first, or this rice first. And then we're going to eat that together with chicken Indonesian curry. We call it opor ayam here. And then sayur. Different kinds of vegetables. And then we're going to cook with special herbs and spices. Idul Fitri is puasa. Fasting month of Ramadan. It's not that far from now. I think they were going to start the Ramadan on April. So we're going to show you how they eat this recipe or this food. Ini dia teman-teman, ketupat kita udah mateng. Tinggal nunggu opor ayamnya sama sambal godong. Nanti kita makan ketupat sayur atau ketupat dengan opor ayam. Here it is, guys. My puso or my ketupat is already done. Now it's ready to eat. But first, I want to cook Indonesian chicken curry or opor ayam. and the vegetables to go with this menu. It's all done. Our ketupat. This is the rice. In Filipino Pusô. And this is our chicken Indonesian curry, or it's upur ayam. And this is the sambal godog or vegetable curry. And this is our sambal kacumbrang. Ito udah semua siap. Salamat man cicipi katanya. Biasa ako ada tamu. Salamat man cicipi. Enaknya yang mana? Yang paling enak yang mana, Bi?
Semua enak.
Semua enak. Terus, we have to mix it together with this. They're gonna put it like this. That's what they call here, lontong sayur. And this one here, like that.
Sambal godog.
Sambal godog. Terus, ini sambal kacombrang. Yang endol endes. And then we have to put this a little bit like this. It's raining again. Ito na siya, guys. Kita ko sa inyo, guys. Para kumana.
And Aba.
Musim hujan, makan ketupat. Libaran duluan dong. In here, no one gonna tell that I'm an expat or I'm a Filipina, because all of Indonesian food I can eat and I can cook too. Kalau nasi dia cuma sedikit makan. Guys, sambal kacombrangnya ito yang enak banget. Baru aku bikin ini sekarang sambal kacombrang. Bunga honjinya di rebus dulu. Ayam kampungnya empuk. Padahal enggak begitu di rebus lama. I use native chicken, guys. Tasty, yummy, and delicious. Okay guys, kita mau lanjut makan. Kalau suka sama video ini, jangan lupa like, share, subscribe, and comments. Thank you very much guys. Bye!